We also have in this area
and beautiful Valletta,
embassies or residencies for ambassadors. We cannot have the embassies in the capital. Valletta is so small, there is no space to have embassies in the capital city. Only two have the privilege: the embassy of the Knights of Malta and the French embassy, because Valletta took its name from a French grandmaster, Jean Parisot de Valette, so the capital was named Valletta. I was telling you about the water. Desalination plants use electricity. Electricity is obtained from a power station which works with fuel and gas. The more you pump water, the more you need electricity, and the more you need fuel and gas. But it's a solution. You know that in life we have problems. Most of the time, to a problem there is a solution. For a country it's the same. But every solution has a price. So, lovely area. This is Attard, and to the left we have a quarry. You see that's a quarry to the left, because we're going up now. The land is becoming higher and higher, until we reach the highest point, 230 meters, where we will see the cliffs. The coast you have seen before you enter the harbor is made up of bays, harbors, sheltered bays. But the south is dropping abruptly to the sea. And I will tell you how that came about when we reach there. So we see, although they are huge houses, villas, gardens in relation to the house are small. That's because of water. You have to water your plants 10 months in a year. So although you collect rainwater, what rainwater falls on the flat roof is passing through a pipe and collected underground. Then you pump it up and store it in water tanks on top, and then this water supplies bathrooms, washing machines with water. It's not fit for drinking, because the water we drink is coming from the main, and it is 60% desalinated water, 40% groundwater, underground water. We're going in the area of where we have underground water. The water table, we call it. You see that there are walls around fields. We had a terribly hot June, so everything has turned a bit yellow, dry. But what we grow on Malta as to vegetables and fruit remains in Malta. Plus we have to import. You can imagine so many restaurants, hotels, we ourselves have to eat, so we keep what we grow, we import. As it's the same for meat and fish. We have our own, but we have to import. So the stone walls are there to separate one property from another, and also to avoid that when it rains heavily, the soil does not leave the field, because that wall is acting like a filter. The oleander, these flowers here we see on the left and on the right, they are oleander.
Oleander flowers, beautiful. Eureka.
They can stand the heat and they don't need so much water. So we have our own language, which is Maltese. Maltese is a Semitic language, which is coming from Phoenician. And the Phoenicians came from what is known today as Lebanon. So it has a lot of Arabic vocabulary, plus Italian vocabulary, plus some English. So we put all in a shaker, gave that a good shake, and what comes out is Maltese. Written in Roman letters. So it's not an easy language at all. We have found a way to write Arabic vocabulary in Roman letters. So we gave it a mix with Italian and some English. So we are proud to have a language of our own, although we are so small.